Hello, it's nice to welcome you to our brooding room. After spreading the sawdust, we we now need to put the newspaper on top the sawdust. This is to make sure that our day olds do not eat sawdust, which is hazardous to their health. So do well to subscribe to our channel. We wouldn't have made it this far if not for you. Kindly connect with us. Follow our page. The only way you can help us is by commenting on our post, liking our video, and sharing our content. Poultry farming is a very lucrative business, but it requires 100% commitment and 100% attention. Why do you think we put sawdust on the floor of the brooding room? And why do you think we use uh, newspaper on top the sawdust? Please, I would like to know your opinion. Kindly comment why you think sawdust is good for a poultry farm, and comment why you think newspaper is good or bad for a poultry farm. If you are thinking about starting poultry farming, this page will help you learn, and it will help you focus on the necessary areas to start. Please, thank you for watching.